breath in. Now let it out. Just for kicks. Take another deep breath in and let it out. Feels good, doesn't it? There's a reason that the adage, like a breath of fresh air, remains so popular, referring to something good. The air we breathe, mainly the oxygen, is vital in keeping us alive. Air is mainly comprised of 78% nitrogen and 21.8% oxygen with a smidgen of other inert compounds. Entrained in all that beautiful stuff that your lungs are greedily sucking in and spitting out is a whole slew of air pollutants. Poor indoor air quality can have adverse effects on your health. Now, covering indoor air quality, we'll go over 3 topics. 1, common air pollutants. 2, the adverse health conditions that arise from indoor air pollution. And 3, common ways to improve your indoor air quality. Now, please don't try to hold your breath throughout everything I'm about to tell you today. According to the CDC, the most common indoor air pollutants are mold, pet dander, pollen, secondhand smoke, formaldehyde, fumes from imported drywall, and household cleaners and pesticides. The World Health Organization states that nearly 3 million people still cook using solid fuels such as wood, crop waste, coal, and dung. Yes, dung. Cooking with these fuels in poorly ventilated kitchens leads to nearly 100 times the acceptable levels of fine particle exposure. Now that you're frantically searching for a Tyvek suit and a respirator, let's talk about the adverse health conditions that arise from poor indoor air quality. A statistic from the WHO, the World Health Organization, reports that nearly 3.8 million people die every year from disease attributable to poor indoor air quality. Some of those numbers from the 3.8 million are 27% from pneumonia, 18% from stroke, 27% from heart disease, 20% from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, and 8% from lung cancer. Those are on the extreme end of poor indoor air quality. A report from OSHA, or the Occupational Safety and Hazard Association, states that poor indoor air quality is tied to symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, trouble concentrating, or irritation of the eyes, nose, throat, and lungs. These symptoms are tied mainly to offices, schools, and other workplaces. But don't worry, you can breathe easy. There are vast ways to improve your indoor air quality. Recommendations from the CDC to improve your indoor air quality are simply opening a window, clean to get rid of dust and pet fur, fix water leaks to keep mold away, and don't smoke inside. The EPA implements 3 basic strategies to improve indoor air quality. 1 is source control, 2 is ventilation improvements, and 3 are air cleaners. Source control, simply cleaning up mold. Ventilation improvements, running a fan to circulate fresh air. And air cleaners, little ones that they put on the desktop or inserted into ductwork.
Ladies and gentlemen, flight deck here. We do apologize for the bumpy
Today we talked about several aspects of indoor air quality, ranging from common indoor air pollutants, adverse health conditions arising from common indoor air pollutants, and the steps you can take to improve your quality of air. I hope the topic discussed today proved useful enough that you can take a breath of fresh air.